I'm Dennis Jacobson from Eagle Grove, Iowa, and I built this tractor from junk parts.
Oh, good, he's going to pick it up.
The rear wheels are made from our planter plates from a McCormick Deering planter. I used a spigot knob for the steering wheel. This part here that looks like the engine compartment is from a chicken brooder stove. The front wheels are two halves of a flat back pulley for a belt. The differential in the rear end here is an armature out of an electric motor. And the screen on the front is from a hammer mill screen. So it's just,
cool.
The fenders are from a strap from a grain auger.
Were any of these an international harvester
Well,
thing?
Probably the only thing that would have been international was the seat is made from a dust cap for a bearing on a cultivator press wheel.
Oh, how fun!
So it's just something I seen parts and I just accumulated them as I seen them and just kept putting them together, and then finally I just decided to put it all together and turn it into a tractor that resembles a 1530 like I have.
That's great. Thank you so much for sharing.
You bet. And everything kind of came out scale-wise and stuff like that, that I think
That's so fun.
it's one of a kind.